after yesterday's little adventure run, and I broke a leaf spring, I ran back to the shop and put in my old leaf springs, which are too tall. That's how it got the name Hightower to begin with, because the front was all jacked up. But that's all I had.
This was the group we got today. Look at this clown. Thinks he's got the body for it. You can tell he's a Toyota guy for sure.
He's got the typical Patagonia, you got the Patagonia sidewall kit?
I don't have my angle grinder. I have the kit.
Oh man, look. 4 fingers more.
That's not good. No. Well, I have that kit. I'll give it to you. It's 60 bucks. You gotta buy me a new one, but
yeah, absolutely.
Like,
whoa.
We can do.
It's how much?
60 bucks.
Well, mine was 25.
Oh, well, we'll use yours then. We'll use yours.
He didn't bring his.
That's a deal.
Mine's good for an 1.25 inch repair.
Yeah, yours is the ATV one.
I guess I ordered the cheesy one.
You really did?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I thought you bought the good one. No?
It was 25 bucks.
Well, I don't know where you got it, but.
Well, I'm just wondering
whatever it costs, we'll just look it up.
I'm just wondering how screwed you got for the same kit.
I'm kind of wondering if you went cheap like you usually do and bought the motorcycle one.
When?
You bought a bicycle one.
For the record, I don't ever go cheap. I don't know what he's talking about. Just for the record, I want you guys to notice which sheep broke down. So there's like 14 Jeeps and 1 Toyota here.
You are jinxing yourself so bad.
You just make sure to look at which ones who broke down. I want to use this big one down here. That.
And then
we're going to use one of the. No, I don't want to use that narrow one. I want to use this guy.
Okay.
And then we're going to do some
Okay.
cuts. Yeah.
Right there.
So. Just a little recap here. We're right on the edge of the Yakima Indian Reservation. Been wheeling all day, and then we had a little Patagonia fail. Big surprise there, right? So the glue tread is what we're trying. Our rip was 6 1/4 inches. We ground down the tread of the Patagonia, have glued it on, sprayed the activator. We're gonna do the edges now and put some air to it and see what happens. But yeah, 6 1/4 inch rip on a Patagonia, 40-inch Patagonia. Well, we'll let you know if this is gonna work.
Well, the glue tread made it a little less than a mile, and it's done. Now we're sending her